Okay, day 1 on Mars. I actually made it. This is insane. My first day on another planet. Look at that horizon and that tiny little base all the way over there. That's home now. I can't believe I'm saying this, but hey, helmet off. Hair's a little wild, but we're on Mars, so who cares, right? Hi, welcome to my habitat. Okay, so this is my Mars kitchen. Tiny, but it does the job. And that over there is my sleep pod, basically a space capsule for naps. Let me show you something. This little lock. Tonight's dinner. Dehydrated mac and cheese, Mars edition. Tastes like cardboard and dreams. Okay, day 4, and my oxygen generator just made a weird noise. This is fine, totally fine, all right? I think we're good.
I accidentally locked myself outside for 10 minutes. On Mars, in a suit. Classic. Survived day 5!
Doing laundry without water pressure is an adventure. If this ever lands on Earth TikTok, send help.
Okay, day 6 on Mars. I didn't sleep great. It's way too quiet here.
My alarm clock, just the oxygen pump. Breakfast, Martian mocha, basically warm space dust. Okay, storm's rolling in, everything's on lockdown mode. Nothing like a little Mars weather to spice up the day.
Day 9, time for the Mars Gym Challenge. I set up a little workout zone out here with the water packs and crates, and yes, the music is coming from my tiny speaker. Let's get to it. Gravity's weaker, but so is my motivation. We'll push through though. See you after my set.
Hey everyone, it's me, live from Mars. The delay is crazy, but hey, we're making history. They said my hair looks like it's floating. Honestly, it kind of is. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next pass.
Welcome to the first Martian kitchen. I've got my high fashion foil apron and a very patient sous chef right here. Let's open some rations and make something edible. Powdered veggies meet hydroponic lettuce. Science meet skillet. Moment of truth tastes like science and hope. If this is what pioneering
Day 11. I might actually grow lettuce on Mars. If this works, we're officially farmers on Mars.
Okay, day 13. Power's down to 50%. Everything's super quiet. I guess this is my candlelight dinner, space edition.
Nothing like DIY plumbing. 225 million kilometers from home. It's working! I fixed Mars plumbing! Look who came to visit! My little delivery robot. No pizza delivery, but hey. Power is power. You can actually see Earth from here. Tiny blue dot right there. Kind of makes the universe feel both huge and cozy. And
If someone finds this someday, tell Earth I had fun.
Laundry day again, so welcome to Mars Fashion Week. I have our contestants, Silver Chic or Classic Red. Pretty sure the pig vote's red, but we'll see. Okay, moment of truth. Running the runway in low gravity is ridiculous, but here we go. It's giving space catwalk. My delivery buddy lost a wheel. We can't have that on Mars. There, fixed. Back to work, little explorer.
Day 90, self-care day. Because even on Mars, skincare is survival. See you in a bit, Earthlings.
I can't believe it's almost over. My Mars stuff feels like home now. Day 100. I actually did it. 100 days on Mars. If you're watching this, thank you for joining my adventure. Engines warming up. Oxygen stable. One last systems check before heading home.